working on a Jaguar F-type here. You can see a curb rash here and here. Again, that's not super deep, so I'm going to sand that out with the 150 grit first and then go over it with the 320 grit. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the products and tools in the links below in the description for the stuff I use to repair rims. I'm going to start sanding on this right now. Actually, I think I went straight to 320. I did. We'll just sand this out with 320. All right, then we'll go ahead and scuff that. Got a little chip right there I still have to get out. And down here. Go over it again with the scuff pad. We'll wipe it off and spray some paint on it. And then finish it off with the clear coat.